Hello YouTube and preppers, this is the Comms Prepper, and in this video I'd like to briefly talk about charging your BRB-900 GPS tracking unit that I'm using to attach to my drone. I introduced this product in my previous video here on the channel that's in my drone playlist, and I'll put a link down below. It's made by BRB-900 and I'll put a link down below to that. What you're looking at here is a self-contained 900 megahertz spread spectrum 250 milliwatt transmitter and GPS receiver with its own battery pack on the back side. This transmitter is paired to this handheld receiver that will give you the lat, longitude, and other information being transmitted from this unit. On the back side I have heavy duty Velcro so I can stick this unit to my drone. The unit also comes with a COM port / charging circuit card, is what you see here, and right now I have it in the charging configuration. This wire coming up with this connector is plugged into the 3-pin port on this board, charging the battery, and then when I want to power the unit I simply move this plug to this port. This card also serves as a COM port. It has a 5-pin connector here that actually mates with this connector here, so you can also read this unit with a separate software package or application, and that'll be the subject of a separate video. The important safety tip or note to take from this is you can only use this in one mode or the other. So you're either charging or using it as a COM port. You can't do both. For the handheld unit, the charging indicator is a little more difficult to see, but I hope you can see it. Around that USB connector you'll see a soft orange glow. And when that orange glow goes out, then the handheld unit itself is charged. For now we're going to leave this up on the bench and let it all charge up, and if I get some time this evening we'll get it out in the field and try some distance checks with this and see how well it does. But I think this is a great device to have if you have a drone, because there's plenty of YouTube videos of drones crashing and people losing their $500 to $2,500 drones and they're nowhere to be found. At least with an independent self-contained GPS tracker you have a far better chance of recovering your very expensive drone. And if you're flying for 107 commercial purposes, having an independent tracker could be very valuable, because if you lose your drone, the contents of the SD card might be worth more than the drone itself. So let's get this charged up and we'll get it out in the field and make a few more videos. And as always, thank you for watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. This has been the Comms Prepper with a brief video on how to charge your BRB-900 independent GPS tracker by BRB-900. Thanks for watching, everybody.